everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. I am combining my love of budget-friendly entertaining with baseball today. I absolutely love the Houston Astros and opening day is approaching. I will find any reason to have a gathering, and today I'm going to take you through the 5 things that I do when I decide to have a last minute gathering to make it extra special. So let's check this out. So any reason that I can just kind of schnazz up a get together, I will definitely take it. It usually starts with me getting my Cricut ready, some cardstock, and blocking off about an hour and a half of my time. Now the first thing that I always immediately do is just make a pennant banner. That is a very simple thing that I like to make and customize. And by using different colored cardstocks and making it a lot larger than you normally would, it really fills the space so you don't have to do as much to make your gathering special. So I just grabbed some colors that are associated with the Houston Astros, and I did want to do a little something different here. And what I ended up doing was I did want to make my letters kind of have a 3D element. So I did put an offset around the letters and print those out. And then I did use foam stickers to put my letters down so that it kind of had a raised look off of the pennant banner. And again, I made it extra large so it really fills that space and is real prominent when people walk in. Another quick little showstopper that you can do is to make your utensils a little more exciting. So what I typically like to do is take my napkin, put my utensils in it, go ahead and wrap the napkin, tie it off with some twine or some ribbon. And here I decided to just make some little baseball diamond tags to decorate that utensil bundle, and it's just something a little extra that just again takes it up a notch but doesn't take much time at all. This was so easy to do. It was simply print the images on my printer, cut them out on the Cricut, and then just apply the brown offset to those baseball diamonds that I printed out and just get that all attached to my utensils. Another thing you can do is make food labels. Now, I don't know what it is about food labels where, sometimes food is pretty self-explanatory, but you add a food label to it and it just seems to make things a little more fancy. I don't know what it is, but these were so easy to do. It was a simple print, then cut, and then I just had to assemble them so that they would stand up on the table. And then that way, when my guests come and bring the food that they're bringing to share, they'll know exactly where to put it on the table. So you're kind of still managing the arrangement on the table, and it just helps everybody out. And again, like I said, I just think it makes the table seem a little fancier. Of course, a menu board also for some reason just schnazzes up any type of event. This is super easy to do. I just printed out a menu on Canva, and then I just, again, cut out some baseball images in Cricut Design Space, putting an offset on them, again, with my team colors, orange and blue, and added that to the menu. And then an easy way to make a decorative stand for this is to grab one of the Dollar Tree paper towel holders and a styrofoam round. This one is 6 inches. And I just poked the hole so that it would slide down onto the paper towel holder. Then taking a red paint marker, I made that white round look like a baseball. And then I just slid my menu down on top of the paper towel holder. And again, I don't know, something about menus, just it's a simple thing to do, but it just kind of elevates any event. The last last thing that you can do is to do some type of attire. Grab some iron-on vinyl, and whether it's a shirt, a hat, maybe even a hand towel or shoes in this case, use that iron-on vinyl to customize whatever your little get together is about. And it's super easy. Working with the shoes, it was very easy to do with the iron-on vinyl. The small mini heat press was key in this to be able to kind of control putting it on here. But again, you could do so much. You could even whip up some earrings, lots of different things, but some sort of attire will just pull together your whole event. So here's what the space looks like before. Let's spruce this up so that my guests will feel a little extra special when they come over. My slightly spruced up space. That will wrap up today's video. Let me know down below, what do you like to do when you are having a small get together or an event to just kind of make it a little extra special? I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Here are some more videos you might want to check out. Go Astros, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.